Imagine being born with a deadly genetic disease, one so rare, their nine's barely a treatment, let alone a cure. Now imagine a world where doctors can custom design a gene therapy just for you and deliver it safely within months of diagnosis. That future ARC3 is here. A research team has just pulled off what many believed was science fiction. They 9V successfully delivered a personalized gene editing therapy to treat a newborn diagnosed with CPS1 deficiency 1, a rare and life-threatening disorder that prevents the body from removing waste nitrogen. CPS1 deficiency typically leads to toxic levels of ammonia in the blood, causing irreversible brain damage or death within days or weeks. But this time, something incredible happened. Within just 6 months of diagnosis, scientists engineered a one-of-a-kind genetic therapy, administered it to the infant Ha1, and it worked. The child is now stable and showing positive signs of recovery. The technology used here is a custom-built gene editing platform that can be rapidly adapted to target other rare diseases. It builds on recent advancements like CRISPR, Cas9, and base editing, which allow pinpoint changes in DNA with unprecedented accuracy. Lipid nanoparticle delivery, ensuring the therapy reaches the exact tissue Ru1 like the liver, in this case. And AI-driven genetic diagnostics, which drastically reduce the time from sequencing to treatment design. This wasn't 9T just a medical procedure. It was a race against time. And it signals a major shift in medicine, one from one-size-fits-all drugs to personalized, precision therapies. We weren't 9T just trying to treat a disease one. We were trying to save a life in real time, a scientist reflected. And now, we know it's possible. This is the first time such a therapy has been successfully used in a human being. But it won't be the last. Researchers believe this platform could be adapted to treat a wide range of conditions, one from muscular dystrophy to rare metabolic disorders, and even certain neurological diseases. A baby's life was saved, a boundary in science was shattered, and a new chapter in medicine has begun. Want to explore more breakthroughs in science, tech, and humanity as race to rewrite the rules of biology? Subscribe to Well Nerd What One, where the future is just one click away.